Alright, so here is the CY6 Pro Gen 3 kit. I got it from you guys, and this is the box. This kit was working perfectly with the X6 controller until I decided to switch to X12, which is now is installed here. So I have another footage with the X6. It's completely dead because it was working fine until I switched them back and forth and tried to figure out what's the problem to fix that error code 30 when I plugged the X12, until finally completely X6 died on me. I didn't ride the bike, it just, while I was switching back and forth, I guess it changed the firmware for some reason, and now the X6 controller is completely dead. That's value of probably $160. It's completely dead. So now it's only going to work with the X12. Over here I'm going to show you that I did test brand new main harness. This is the 1 and 2. It goes to the display and the throttle. And then I also have a brand new Bluetooth module, the speed sensor. As you can see, the light is on. The app is connected. Okay, so I'm not using the brake sensors. This is another main harness. This is the 1 and 4 with the speed with the brake sensors. I'm not using those. This is my old display because I broke one of the sides, so I decided to get a brand new one. This is the half twist throttle that it comes with the kit. I'm not using it. I also got a factory a throttle, CYC throttle. I've been using this for almost 6 months, no problem. So let me show you the error code. So now it's not showing, but it will come up once I start the motor, and you're gonna hear the buzzing sound. I don't know if you heard it. Try it again. And start it back up. 1, 2. There we go. So I'm gonna connect the display. Okay, so it's already connected. And basically what I did, I went to setting. I went to, as you can see here, this is the X12 X1 Pro Gen 3. I changed it from Gen 4 to Gen 3 by going to modes and levels, and then went to motor type, and then enter code 32, I think it's 32.5.31. Okay, yep. And then you have the option to choose the motor. So I leave it on 3 because I was having issue with the Gen 4. When it's on Gen 4, the motor only spins for 2 seconds and will pause. Now still pause on the street mode, but not very long. It comes back again. So I'm going to show you footage of that, but I just want to show you this short video just to show you the error code again for last time. I'm going to power off, power back on, and then it goes away. Okay, so again, it pause on the street mode, but does not pause on race mode. So I already program it when it comes back to race mode every time I restart the motor. That's why it's not going to pause now, but I'm going to overwrite the display, and you're going to hear this buzzing sound again. That is going to do it again. So I'm just going to put the camera here, and I'm going to disconnect the display. I don't know if you heard it. So there we go. So now the motor should comes on. Put the level assist up, lift the back. Okay, so as you can see, the motor is working now. It should be on race mode automatically because I programmed it to come up on a race mode. The app connect the motor, everything there. So again, race mode. And put it on the street mode. So I'm gonna show you that the motor is, this is on the street mode now. Alright, it's not doing it now for some reason. Anyway, but I still have the error code and the buzzing sound, and I'm gonna just disconnect this and then plug it back. How I hold the phone. I don't know if you heard it again. So this is not right. The performance is not going to be there. I'm going to have a pausing issue. So hopefully CYC will figure out what's the issue. Try to fix this for me. Because again, I spent a lot of money on this kit. I spent like close to $1,300 with the extra stuff. And then I also purchased the X12. That's another $300. So if I'm gonna end up buying the motor too, this is gonna be too much. It's gonna jump to $1,900. While you guys selling it for $1,200, this is not fair to your oil customer. So hopefully CYC throw at least the motor Gen 4. If that's gonna solve the issue, I'm willing to send the X6 controller back to you, because it's worth nothing now because it doesn't work at all. So I'm also gonna attach that video while I connect the X6 and it's completely dead. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully I hear from you back. Thank you, bye.